Trouble designing a rhinestone decal in Silhouette Studio? No worries, I'm here to make it easy. Step 1. Open your Silhouette Studio on your computer. Step 2. Select the text tool from the left toolbar. Step 3. Click on the design area and type any letters or words you wish to add. Note, you can resize, change the font style, and modify the text as needed. Step 4. Once your text looks good, right-click on it and select Convert to Path. Great job! Next, we'll add an offset to the letter. Let me show you how. Step 5. Select the Offset tool from the right panel toolbar. Step 6. An offset window will appear. Step 7. Click on your design to select it. Step 8. Enter 0.120 inches under the offset distance field and click on Apply. Awesome job making it this far. Just a couple more steps and we're all set. Step 9. Once you've added your offset, click on the Rhinestone tool. Step 10. When the Rhinestone window appears, select the Edge option. Step 11. And just like that, your Rhinestone decal design is ready. Leave a like and subscribe if we helped resolve your issue. Drop a comment below for more such videos and DIY ideas. Or visit us at www.mannymaker.com or call us at 1-786-866-5932. 44-203-983-0480.